How to turn on Find My iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account, which displays your name at the very top as shown. This takes you to the Apple account screen, where you can manage your personal information, security settings, and connected services. From here, scroll down to find and tap on the Find My option. The Find My feature helps you locate your Apple devices, keep track of friends and family, and find lost items. On the Find My page, tap on Find My iPhone at the very top. Here, you will see a toggle switch for Find My iPhone. Simply tap this switch to turn the feature off. To reactivate it, just tap the toggle again to turn it back on. Following these steps, you can easily turn on Find My iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.